Special simple cowpeas curry recipe for chapati and rice. We just need 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of cowpeas. We have washed and soaked cowpeas for 8 hours. Add 6 chopped garlic, 2 green chili slits, 1.5 sliced onion, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 cups of water to cook the cowpeas. Mix it well. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Cowpeas have cooked well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then add 4 red chillies cut into halves, some curry leaves, and mix it for 10 seconds on low flame. Now add 8 sliced shallots and mix it well. Serve it for 5 minutes on medium flame until it turns to light golden color. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add the cooked cowpeas to it. Add some water if required. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Our special simple cowpeas curry recipe for chapati and rice is ready. We just need 30 minutes for the preparation.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.